Nasaan na media? Hi, B. Uy, long time. It's been a year, sorry.
Now, the plot is different. What do you think about it?
Curious lang po how it will turn out.
Right, and we want to see how much. All right, Project Baby, Grand Baby, of course, stars Sue Ramirez and Rico Blanco, and Sue plays Sandy. So gusto niya lang actually baby names that you think. Gawa-gawa na lang tayo
I
na.
have a joke po kanina.
Okay,
Sabi
go.
ko, if it's a boy, his name is Rico, and then his girl version is Rika.
Pwede. Rico and Rika, nakakalagal mo dyan. Pwede. Kapag would, of course, in the cinema area. We'd like to welcome to MPK's on here with us. Hello po! Palakpakan naman tayo dyan! Hello po! Hello kayo. And walking the red carpet as well. Project Baby Grand Premiere Night. Cristel Fulgar, hello! Welcome to the Project Baby Grand Premiere Night. Cristel, can we have you here for just a short question?
Hello po, good evening po.
We want to ask you who you are supporting. What are you excited about?
Siyempre, yung isa sa mga closest friends ko sa showbiz, which is si Sue Ramirez po.
Si Ramirez. And syempre, today ang ating gender reveal, quote-unquote. Girl or guy? Team boy or girl ka?
For me, kahit ano, basta healthy.
Tama! I
Yeah.
love that answer! Okay. Thank you very much, Cristel, and I hope you enjoy the movie as well.
Thank you po.
Alright, go ahead into Cinema 6. Tayo sa LTV. Ayan.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good evening. Yes, correct. So, what can we expect? Are you excited to watch Project Baby?
Of course, excited ako mapanood yung movie nila. And I'm here to support everyone dito sa movie na to, especially Sue, Ana. So, ayun.
What do you think we can look forward to? Or what are you looking forward to specifically?
Wala naman. Na-expect ko syempre, ginagaling lagi naman ni Sue sa kanyang mga movies, binibigyan niya lahat sa 100% sa kanyang mga projects. So, excited ako to watch that.
And we're actually asking everybody this question kasi gender reveal ang theme namin. Team boy ka ba or team girl for Project Baby? Ano sa tingin mo?
Team girl ako, syempre.
Team girl. Love that. Thank you very much
Thank
for
you, thank you.
joining us.
Thank you guys. Enjoy the movie.
You may go enter the cinema. Thank you once again, Project Baby Grand Premiere Night here in Eastwood. Dominic Roque entering your cinema right now and enjoying our photo booth area as well. So nandito po tayo ngayon sa Eastwood Cinema area. Please invite all of your friends. And speaking of the stars here, we would love to welcome Donnie Pangilinan! Hi Donnie, please join us here in the LTV area.
Hello everyone, good evening.
Good evening Donnie, we want to ask who are you supporting at ano inaabangan mo for tonight?
Then syempre si Sue, katropa ko yan eh. Ever since day one, sobrang supportive niya sa akin. So sabi ko talaga, pupunta ako dito sa premiere night mo. And of course, si Kuya Rico rin, first time ko siya makikitang umarte din. So I'm very excited for their tandem.
So medyo nakakaiba yung plot natin ng Project Baby. So it's just out there looking for a baby daddy, another option for the people who want a different plan in their life. Nung narinig mo yung plot na to, what was your first impression?
Wala ako, excited lang ako makita kung ano yung magiging performance nila kasi sobrang galing din ni Sue bilang artista, di ba? So, it's something fresh, it's something different. So, just looking forward to seeing this film.
Correct. And our theme tonight is a gender reveal. Yes! Team boy ka ba or team girl? Ano sa tingin mo?
Wow! My sister just gave birth to a boy, so I will be team boy.
Perfect! Okay. If you had to tell Sandy ano yung bet mo na pangalan for team boy, what would you suggest?
Antonio, second name ko.
Ah, ganda.
Oo,
Ganda.
para same kami.
Okay, named after you pala.
Oo.
Ang magiging anak nila.
Oo.
Okay, perfect. Donnie, thank you guys
Thank
so
you
much.
guys so much.
You may enter Cinema 6.
Where's our magic?
Donnie Pangilinan here with us for Project Baby Grand Premiere Night.
Donnie to your left. Donnie's our magic.
This is out on June 10. Bukas na bukas po to in cinemas nationwide. You can also watch it here in Mega World. 180 pesos po yan. Here in NCR, except for Newport. And we also want to welcome Sir Patrick Ramirez here in the red carpet. Hi! Love the outfit! Slay! Ang ganda po na outfit ninyo. Hey, Patrick, join us here. Alright.
Hello, good evening po.
So Patrick, what are you looking forward to? Who are you supporting for the night?
Actually, si Sue Ramirez po, my friend. Yan. Siyempre, full support po ako ngayon sa kanya.
Tapos nung narinig mo yung vlog nitong Project Baby, ano naging first impression mo?
Well, interesting siya kasi nung napanood ko yung trailer, si Sue pala dito is naghahanap siya ng
Baby Daddy.
yes. Pero walang commitment, right?
Correct! No love at all.
Yeah. Very interesting siya kasi like paano nila ma-handle yung yung feelings kasi parang napaka-imposible naman na hindi siya ma-attach sa isang guy.
Yeah.
Like, di ba, sobrang risky nung gagawin nilang
Yeah, exactly.
project.
Exactly. As a girl, parang medyo kinakabahan ako for Sandy sa Sue. So, medyo gender reveal yung theme natin for tonight. Tanungin lang kita if team boy or team girl ka.
Team boy.
Team boy? Ang dami ng team boy.
Talaga? Wala
Oo,
kang team boy.
medyo pumapatas na yung team girl at team boy. Ano yung magiging suggestion mo na pangalan for Sandy?
Ano ba? Ako kasi personally, yung gusto kong name na magiging anak ko is Ian. So siguro Ian na lang din.
Ian. Twinning sila. Thank you very much and I hope you enjoy the movie. You may step to the side for some photos and Mike goes over there. Cinema 6. Sir Keith Monteverde! Sir Keith Monteverde, thank you very much for joining us here for our Project Baby Grand Premiere Night.
Yes, thank you. Thank you everybody for coming out again. Felt like we were just here not that long ago for the media con, so thank you again for coming out for the premiere night and supporting us. We're so excited to finally be able to show this movie tomorrow.
Alright, Sir Keith, thank you very much and we'll see you in the cinema in just a bit. Ayan. Thank you very much. Now we move on to Miss Rosel Monteverde in just a bit. And of course, the cast is coming in right now. So we go on to Jazzy Sarinas. Jazzy Sarinas walking here for the Project Baby Grand Premiere Night. Jazzy, of course, in her first movie, ang ganda-ganda na outfit ni Jazzy. Hi, Jazzy!
Hello po everyone, it's nice to see you here po.
Thank you so much, Jazzy. Dito po tayo sa side na to. Up next, we want to welcome Dan Perez! And up next is Jay Arias! Of course, we have Charul! Hello! Checo Apostol as well is here with us. Christian T will be walking the red carpet as well. Kim Santan. Let's move here a bit, guys. Let's move here. Ayan. Yasser Marta here with us in the red carpet. Ira San Agustin joins us as well. We also want to acknowledge Matt Lozano and Miss Alice Dixon, although they would love to join us here in the Grand Premiere Night. They send their love and their best wishes to... We also want to welcome Derek Eric Kizon! course, the writer of Project Baby. Direct? Let's stay in the middle. Ayan. And of course, the stars of Project Baby. Make some noise for Rico Blanco and Sue Ramirez! Okay, dito po tayo sa gitna. Ayan. Quick photo with the media, with all of our stars. Let's just squeeze in, guys. Para kita tayong lahat. Project Baby Grand Premiere Night. Let's all welcome the cast right here in Eastwood, the cinema area. Tonight, malalaman natin if it is a boy or it is a girl or if naging successful na ba ang Project Baby.
Sir Magic po.
Let's all face here as well para makita tayo na ang cameras here. Okay, thank you guys so much. So to all of our media friends, of course, syempre gusto natin malaman how excited you guys are. We want to start with Direct, syempre. Direct, please welcome all of our media friends, everybody who came here, and what we can expect as well.
Yeah, good evening everyone. Bakit mo parating tinatanong yung ano ba expect nila sa movie? You know what? Ako, basta sasabihin ko na sa inyo, pag pumasok kayo doon, just sit down, relax, and enjoy the movie. Kasi pinapangako ko na pag tatapos ng pelikula, uuwi kayo may ngiti sa inyong mga mukha. Yun lang.
Looking forward to the warmth and the love of Project Baby. We're very excited to feel that as well. Dito naman tayo for Sue and Rico.
Hello, good evening po sa inyong lahat. Finally, actually, we're so excited for all of you to watch it. Ako din excited. Ako lang yata kay Derek and Rico, hindi pa nakapanood. So, kinabahan ako, pero more excited and really excited to watch the film. And I'm excited for everyone to see it as well. Sana po mapasaya namin kayo tonight and help us spread the word about this beautiful Project Baby that we did. And yun po, enjoy lang po tayong lahat ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. Thank you po.
Thank you, Sue. On to Rico.
Good evening, everyone. And thank you for coming. Thank you for joining us here tonight. Katulad nila Derek Eric and Sue at lahat ng mga kasama namin dito. I'm so excited for all of you actually to experience this movie. Ibang feeling ang nabibigay niya. You're all gonna enjoy it. Thank you. Thank you.
Alright guys, palapakan natin ang cast ng Project Baby! Maraming salamat syempre to the cast of Project Baby. Now to all of our media friends, you may now enter our cinema. Cinema 6 po, again. To all of our media friends, please enter our cinema. Pasok na po tayo para makapag-settle tayo before the grand premiere night.
Solo ba?
Paano nga ba nangyari yun? Dati damdamin ko'y nakakahon. Sa tuwan ako tatakot. Parang ikaw ang hinahon ko. Sabihin mo lang, walang pag-aalilangan. Ikaw kasi yung pangarap lang. Baka pwedeng wala hanggan. Sabi na pagbiglaan, dun pa nagkakatuluyan. Ang nakala ko, sandali lang. Biglang naging mundo
Ruth, Sheko Apostol, Christian D, Gibson Tan, Yasir Marta, Ara San Agustin. The lovely cast of Project Baby. And of course, joining us is Direk Eric Quizon. And our stars, Rico Blanco and Sue Ramirez. The big day, Project Baby Grand Premiere Night. Almost there, almost underway. Just your last things, and of course for everybody coming here and to support you guys. Direk, you wanna?
Not listening ako.
Kala ko last taste eh. Parang sinasabi niya, nagutom tuloy ako. Anyway, good evening everyone. Thank you for coming. It's so good to see so many familiar faces. At yun, basta be kind lang ha. Be kind ha. No. But I'm sure you will have a laugh, after the movie. And, just enjoy. So, of course, this project, we started conceptualizing this. Well, the script was there matagal na because originally Direk Joey Reyes wanted to do this movie. Kaya lang, because of his work right now, he couldn't do it. So I asked him if he has a script, and then he gave me the script. So dun nag-umpisa talaga itong project. So and of course I'm so happy that Rosel, because Rosel, of course, Rosel and I, we go a long way ever since I became a Regal baby. Naging barkada ko na si Rosel. So when Rosel was asking me, kailan ka gagawa? Kailan ka gagawa sa Regal? So from a Regal baby na artista, so now naman I'm directing for them. So parang I've gone 2 circles. So it's not just a full circle, but 2 circles. So that's why we came up with this project. And I'm so happy that nakabuo kami ng isang napakaganda at napakagaling na cast. Of course, Sue and Rico leading the movie. So and it's a surprise because I've directed Sue. The romantic actress kasi to. Pero hindi pala. Kengkoy pala to. Kengkoy. And then, of course, si Rico, pag nakikita ko siya mag-perform, iba di ba? Pero iba siya din sa movie na to. So, there'll be a lot of surprises along the way. And so sana mag-enjoy kayo.
Again, thanks everyone for coming. This means so much to us and to me, especially. It's my first premiere where I'm starring. It's why my mom is here and my titas. So I think it's the first time they've attended the premiere. And hopefully, pag nag-enjoy kayo, hindi ito yung magiging last. Ayan. Thanks everyone. Enjoy.
Hello, good evening. Thank you so much everyone for being here tonight. Alam namin mahal ang gas, pero nandito tayong lahat sa Eastwood at nagsama-sama tayo para manood ng Project Baby. So maraming salamat po. Yun, sana enjoyin po natin ang pelikula, spread the good word about it. And let's just sit back and relax katulad nga ng sabi ni Direk. Thank you to all our friends who came here tonight. Maraming salamat. The best thing you can give someone is your time. So I'm very grateful for that. Maraming salamat po. Enjoy!
There you have it, the cast of Project Baby. Just a few photos for everybody. Compress na lang po tayo. Yan.
Akala ko sandali lang, biglang naging mundo na hiwala. Ay damdamin ko'y nakakapagod sa buwan ko nagtago. Parang ikaw ang hinabol ko. Sabihin mo lang walang pag-aalala. Ikaw kasi ang
Tara. Sige po.
You liked it.